Namaskar. Hello, I'm Sheetal Soni, founder of Tattva Mystic, and I'm making this video today to give you some insights on how we unknowingly pick up each other's energies and from the spaces where we least expect it. I get a lot of queries from people where people tell me that how they have suddenly started feeling low or anxious or allergic or something, and they don't even realize when did they get in touch with somebody to pick up those energies. They say we were very protective, but then the least expected space is a bathroom. I'm going to talk about the bathroom space today, that how we pick up energies from each other in these areas. So, in a bathroom, when we shower or bathe, either through a bucket or a shower, we leave those residues on the floor because water is a cleansing agent. It will cleanse off your energies for sure, and especially when we bathe with salt, because a lot of recommendation is given that take a salt water bath so that energies are cleansed and the aura is cleansed. But then what happens? The residues remain on the floor. On this floor, apparently, when the other person comes in, because it's a shared bathroom or otherwise also, the other person, if not having enough strong aura, would definitely pick up some more the energy from that floor. So to avoid that, you must mop the floor when you move out of that bathroom. And these practices have been there from the ancient times, not out of hygiene and cleanliness alone, but also they knew that energies are shifted, how the energy transfer happens in spaces like these, especially because this is the place where we leave the most of our auras and residues and energies, and that's how other people pick it up from us. The second thing in the bathroom is using a soap. So, in a joint family, out of love or whatever, out of the habit, people tend to use each other's soaps also. So, the soap part, apparently, either you should be using a separate soaps, and if you have to use the same soap for some reason, and out of habit or out of love or out of whatever, some sort of, where you have no choice but to just use that soap. So, make sure you cleanse the soap nicely before using, and make sure the person who has used the soap be responsible enough that you cleanse your soap and keep it back on the base, right? But don't make it a habit, make a conscious habit. You'll get into the habit of cleansing the soaps before using it. And cleansing how? Just put it under water, as water has a tendency to cleanse and clear, right? So put it under running water and the soap will be cleansed completely. So make sure you don't leave the soaps behind not clean, unclean soaps. Please do not leave behind. Be responsible enough not to pass on these energies to the other person, and the other person who's using that thing should also be responsible for his or her own aura and should not be doing so, and should cleanse it before using. And the same thing, the other person should be repeating the cycle. That's one thing. Make sure, now the third thing is, make sure the lid of your commode is always closed. That is another dump area from which the energies flow out. So all this energy dump and secretions, whatever we do, are actually some sort of detox energies that goes out of you, and then these are some of the emotional detoxes also, physical detoxes also. So make sure your lid is always closed and your bathrooms are mostly closed. You must ensure these things, and as I said, these are nothing to do only with the hygiene and cleanliness, but also knowingly unknowingly we are passing on energies to the other person. And then also we have a habit of using each other's towels at times. Children use it unknowingly, the husband and wife uses it unknowingly, siblings use it, you use your parents' one, sometimes knowingly unknowingly you do that. I understand that sometimes we tend to use it out of love or a habit or something, but now on I think we must make a conscious effort not to do this, to avoid any sort of unknowing energy transfer happening. So this is one of the most critical areas where you can pick up the energies from people, especially when you go to public areas and all, when you have to use something which is commonly thing. So make sure to keep make sure to keep something in your bag or purse or in your pockets where you use your own stuff. And of course liquid soaps are all fine, But if there is a soap which you have to use, if there is a towel which you're using, if there's something else which you're using, make sure it's all clean. And as I say again, it is of course to do with cleanliness and hygiene, but more to do with picking up energies from each other. So these are a couple of things I thought one I must share, and make sure to like my YouTube channel and subscribe it and follow it and give it to others also, so that I can keep sharing such insights and help you not to do certain things which can deplete your aura. So all the best, and keep following. Namaste.